welcome to another room tour video. Today we are at Springhill Suites, Charlotte City Center, and we're here overnight. We are checked into a king room, so I'll do a quick walkthrough with you guys just to show you the amenities of this particular room in case you're interested in staying here. So as soon as you come in the door, there is this coffee ice bar, which is a really nice thing. So it's your single coffee makers, ice bucket. Down below, you've got your microwave and mini fridge. There's a really nice seating area over here. So you've got your sofa, like a little coffee table, a desk area, which is really nice. It's also great because lots of places to plug in here, as well as USB ports. So that's awesome. A nice leather chair. Over here, you've got your TV. We just haven't put it on anything yet. But the nice thing about this is it is swivel, so you can see it from the living area or the bed. And so that is your king bed setup. You've got your lamps on both sides. It looks like one side has plugs, but then there's plugs right here on this desk too. So not too bad. And each side does have the drawers, like the little nightstands. You've got your closet area over here, which I've already taken a peek in, and it's a lot of nice space. We don't need that much space because we're only here overnight, but the nice thing is lots of shelves, hangers, your ironing board, luggage rack. So we are in the heart of downtown. So I'm assuming this is very convenient for someone who might be here on business and needs to hang things up or store things on shelves and stuff like that. And on this side, you do have your bathroom set up. So it's really good. Nice sliding privacy door. You've got your toilet set up on this side. You have your vanity over here on this side. What I personally love about it is a lot of nice bright light. So really easy to see. The amenities include a hairdryer. Of course, that's pretty standard these days, but just in case you're wondering. And then you've got a stand-up shower. Again, really nice and light, very spacious. And in case you're interested, there is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. So in case you don't bring your own, they've got you covered. Two other things that I'd love to point out in this room is that although it is a king room, so that's for two people, it is also for a third person. So the nice thing about this is that if you do have a third person on this side, there's a little bit of privacy glass here that can kind of pull over so that you're not looking at each other. I guess that's also potentially if somebody's working at the desk and somebody's maybe trying to rest on the other side, they're not disturbing the person on the bed. But what I'd love to point out is that a lot of people think that these are sofa beds. They are not traditional sofa beds. So if you're expecting something at a higher level, you are not going to get that at a lot of the Marriott properties these days. This is actually a pull-out twin bed that is down at floor level. And this is a lot of the standard at their properties now. I've done a lot of research, and this is typically what they're moving towards. So I'm just going to quickly show you. So I apologize for any jerkiness that happens here. But as you can see, I'm not going to pull it out all the way, but it does stay down at that level. It does not come up any further. It's just something to highlight, especially if you do have someone that maybe can't get down at that level. That's definitely something that you want to remember. In the closet, I think there was extra linens and stuff. So you can make the bed, of course, but that is definitely something to keep in mind. It's very easy to pull it out and extremely easy to push it back in, but that is definitely your additional person bed. So I hope this has answered any questions that you have about this property. Oh, one last thing. So our view, we are facing the Spectrum Center. So Spectrum Center is where Charlotte Hornets play. I'm not sure if anything else happens there, but I believe it is the basketball arena. And so, yeah, we're right in downtown, guys. Tell us what you like about the room. If you have any additional questions about the room, about the area, feel free to drop us a comment, like, share, and subscribe as always. And we will walk with you later. Bye, guys.